it's your girl Sean. I'm back for another video, and I'm actually here today to do my first ever Louis Vuitton haul. I actually got a couple of things from Louis Vuitton that I really wanted to share with you guys. I've done handbag unboxings on my channel before, so I'll actually link one right here and a few of my other handbag unboxings below. I have some higher end, some lower end, things like that on my channel, but this by far is the most I've personally ever spent for a handbag. And I'm not gonna lie, I feel like the luxury bug bit me. I ordered this bag, and before it even arrived at my house, I was already on the Louis Vuitton website ordering something else. So it's crazy. And I'm gonna tell you guys, believe it or not, I actually got a good deal. I got this bag pre-loved. Now there's several different sites you can go to get bags pre-loved, places like Fashionphile, The Real, Tradesy, Rebag, which is where I got my bag from. So many places that you can go. I will link them below. If you guys don't want to pay full price for designer bags, I definitely recommend that you check them out. That's why I did it. I actually wanted to get this bag new, but so many of the purse divas that I follow here on YouTube were talking about they feel like it's a waste. Aside from the store experience, maybe a glass of champagne and all of that, you're just paying full price just to pay full price. Like, why not get a bag in excellent or amazing or even new with tags condition and save some money? I actually saved some money on this bag. Once I unbox it, I'll tell you guys how much I saved and all of that. But let's jump right into it because it's been bugging me that all of this stuff has been in my room and I haven't seen it. I legit haven't opened it or anything. I wanted my unboxing to be a true unboxing. So let me go ahead and open this guy up. I really feel like I cannot wait another second. I can't believe I've been this patient thus far, knowing how excited I've been. So it's got the bubble wrap, and it also has some black tissue paper here. Any guesses as to which bag I got? Got my receipt. Comes in this bag that says Rebag right here, which is cute. Here she is. So it has a little envelope right here. I'm not sure what this says, but we'll get to that in a minute. Let's just look at the bag. So this is the bag that I got. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 25. Now the reason why I got this bag is because, you know, one of the reasons why I want to start getting into handbags is because, you know, I have 3 daughters, ages 5, 8, and 12, and my oldest daughter will be 13 this year. You know, they'll be into handbags soon enough, and I really wanted to get a collection going and pass them down to my daughters. So here is the bag. This is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 in the monogram canvas. It has like the lock and key on it right here. The leather right here is already started to patina a little bit. Oh my goodness. It's just adorable. Here is the inside. They have it stuffed, which I appreciate. And then it also has this. So this tells me how much I actually paid for the bag. And it also tells me how much I can actually sell them the bag back for. That's one of the things that I liked about Rebag is what you can do is it'll give you 6 months with the bag. Let's just say I see another bag on their website that I'd rather have. They will tell me how much they'll give me back for the bag. Let's just say they'll give me back $500 back if I sell the bag back to them in 6 months. I can use that $500 towards another bag or something. So that's one thing that I really like about them is that they'll buy the bag back. If you decide after a couple of months you don't want it or whatever, I actually can return the bag for any reason, as long as I don't cut these tags off, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna keep it because I love the way that it looks. It is just so adorable. And one of the reasons why I got this bag, like I said, because of the size. They have the Speedy 25, 30, 35, 40, and all of that, but I really wanted a petite little bag like this because I'm 4'11" and I wanted a petite bag. And I thought if my oldest daughter, who will be 13 this year, wants the bag in like a couple years to take to high school, it would be the perfect size for a teen as well. But I really, really love it. I think it is just adorable. All right, so like I said in the beginning, there were a lot of people talking about how pre-loved is the new way to go when it comes to designer handbags and things like that. So the reason why I got this next item brand new from the store is because it's currently sold out on the Louis Vuitton website, and because of that, people are selling their pre-loved versions of this particular item for way more than the brand new version costs. However, I was able to find a Bloomingdale's in Virginia that actually had it, and they were able to ship it to me. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. So it came UPS. And let me see if I can open this up so you guys can see what I got. Oh my goodness. All right, so in the box was this little card right here that has my receipt of purchase on it, and it also has a card for the sales associate that I work with, who was so sweet. He actually texted me yesterday to let me know that my bag was in the mail and that it would be arriving yesterday. And he also said that he would be willing to show me pictures, take pictures of the new collection and all that. He's like super duper helpful. So shout out to him. What's his name? Cameron? He's at the Bloomingdale's in Virginia, and his name is Cameron. And he's so sweet. So anyway, shout out to him. And here is what I got. You guys may already guess what I got, but here's the little box that it comes in. It has a little drawer. And then it has this little dust bag, little baby dust bag. And here it is. This is what I wanted. I actually wanted this little key pouch, also called a key clay. Now the reason why I wanted this is because last month I actually got this from Amazon. This is kind of like a dupe for the Louis Vuitton Damier Azur, which is like this light checkered print. This bad boy has been my go-to because oftentimes when I'm like rushing out the door, I don't even carry a purse. I just grab like this little bad boy that has like my key on it and everything, my phone, and I'm gone. I have used this to death, so I knew that if I got that much use out of that one, I would definitely make good use of this one. So I'm excited to have it. Plus, I also wanted to have it as like a little matching set right here. It retails for $205. And the reason why I paid full price is because on the pre-loved market, because this item is sold out just about everywhere, you really can't find it. People are selling their used version for like $250, $275, $290. And I'm like, why would I pay more for a pre-loved one when I can get a brand new one and all of that for less? So that's why I actually paid full price for this, but I know I'm gonna use it every single day, so I'm excited about this. So I have two other things to share with you guys really quickly. I didn't want my bag to be sort of like factory, like every other bag. I definitely wanted to customize it a little bit, so I actually checked the hashtag, and there are a whole bunch of different options for, you know, adding your personal style. So I ended up getting these two things from Amazon. I got this right here, and this is just a little puff ball. I thought this would look nice on my bag, so I'm gonna possibly accessorize my bag with this little puff ball and possibly this little keychain slash bag charm. Now Louis Vuitton actually makes one of these, and it's like $300 or something like that. No, honey, no. No, not doing all that. But I got this one, which is kind of very similar to the one that you get from Louis Vuitton. I thought it was really cute. I thought these two together might be how I accessorize my bag. I'll link both of these below. Like I said, I got them from Amazon. I'll also link the little key pouch dupe. This is amazing. They have it in the brown checkered as well, and a couple other different styles. I will link it all below, but these are really cute little accessories for your stuff. But I think I'm gonna put these on my bag to accessorize. All right, so this is what the bag now looks like. I think I really do like both of these on here, the little puff ball and also the little Louis Vuitton inspired bag charm. I thought it was really cute. I am absolutely loving this little bag. Super duper cute. All right, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to thumbs up if you did. Also, I'll be sure to link everything that I can find below, the little bag charms, even if I can find a good affordable pre-loved Speedy 25 or whatever, I'll link those below as well if you guys want to check them out. But that is pretty much it. And yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Till next time, later divas and dudes. Deuces, honey.